Hello everyone. Today the topic is Rappaport-Lubering cycle or bisphosphoglycerate shunt. So inside the RBC, mitochondria is absent. Inside the RBC, the mitochondria is absent, because of which anaerobic glycolysis mainly serves as the supply of ATP for the red blood cells. Anaerobic glycolysis serves as the main source of supply of ATP for the red blood cells. But this ATP that is getting produced through anaerobic glycolysis is also in excess amount for the RBC. The ATP that is getting produced through the anaerobic glycolysis, that is about 2 ATP are getting produced through anaerobic glycolysis. Even that ATP is also in excess amount for the RBC. So to decrease the amount of ATP that are getting produced inside the RBC, there is a shunt pathway that is operates, and this shunt pathway is called as Rappaport-Lubering cycle or RPL cycle, or bisphosphate glycerate shunt or BPG shunt. So what is shunt pathway? So generally in glycolysis what happens is, in step 6 there is conversion of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate in the presence of the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. And now this from here, the 1,3-bisphosphate glycerate is bypassed. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is bypassed in the presence of the enzyme 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate mutase to form 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, which again gets converted into 3-phosphoglycerate in the presence of the enzyme 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate phosphatase. So because of this shunt pathway, the ATP that has to get formed, the substrate level phosphorylation that has to happen in the step 7 and step 10 of glycolysis, it does not occur. So as a result, there is decrease in the ATP formation. What is the significance of the shunt pathway? The main product that is getting formed because of the shunt pathway is 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Now what does this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate do is, inside the RBC, this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate gets bound to the hemoglobin. Because it is getting bound to hemoglobin to much stronger affinity, there is decreased affinity of hemoglobin towards oxygen. Because this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate is getting bound with a much greater affinity to hemoglobin, there is decreased affinity of oxygen towards hemoglobin, and this helps in rapid release of oxygen to the tissues, or there is increased release of oxygen to the tissues. This is especially useful in conditions like high altitude conditions where there is hypoxia. In conditions like high altitude or in wherever there is hypoxia, this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate concentration increases, and this favors the release of oxygen to the tissues. That is the main significance or significance of this shunt pathway. Thank you.